Hey everyone, welcome back. It's time to learn how to disable animation effects on Windows 11. Disabling animation effects can enhance system performance, especially on older devices, and provide a more responsive user experience. That said, let's get started. So first off, you just have to hit the Start button and then choose the Settings app. And then you have to choose the accessibility option from the left sidebar. This section contains various options to adjust and customize visual and auditory elements of your system. And under the accessibility section, scroll down to find the visual effects option. Then you have to click on it to open the visual settings for your display. And finally, you have to turn off the toggle right next to animation effects, and that's about it. This will immediately turn off animations throughout the system, such as minimizing, maximizing windows or transitions. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll catch you up in the next video with more such handy Windows tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye bye.